rising living costs and the increase in inflation, many families are finding themselves reverting back to living as a community within the same household to make adjustments. Let's talk about who can claim a head of household status. When it comes to the IRS, the head of household status can be claimed by an unmarried taxpayer who has a qualifying dependent and has maintained the home for more than 50%. The 50% threshold can actually be divided, if it is done correctly, by both households or both family living within the household in order for each individual to claim head of household status. So here's how it may look like. So say you have two families living in a home, and within the home, both families take 50% of the living expenses, has a qualifying dependent, has equal living quarters that is defined, and maintain their portion of the living quarter, and they have a communal space which they convene and share some great times as a family. According to the IRS, by maintaining separate and distinct portions of the home for which they pay more than 50% of the expenses, that would legally qualify both head of households to claim the head of household status. This is one of the really complex rules when it comes to the IRS, and it requires you to speak with your CPA. If this is a situation you find yourself in, you may benefit from living with your family member and also getting your head of household deduction. So if you have any questions, put it in the chat below and let's talk about it.